Hi, I'm Neil Ward-Dutton. I work at IDC in Europe, and in these weekly videos, I'm looking at the topics we're researching, the conversations we're having, and the ideas we're exploring. And today, I'm delighted to be joined by my esteemed colleague, John O'Brien, who co-leads with me our intelligent process automation practice. Hi, John.
Hi, Neil. Great to be here this afternoon.
Oh, it's lovely to have you here as well. Brilliant. I'm really pleased we could do this.
Yeah.
So today we're going to talk, I think, about what the RPA vendors are doing and how we see them really trying to avoid the commoditization trap. They're trying to do this in a number of ways, but in particularly, there's some stuff recently been happening around the integration platform space. And a couple of things happened just this week. So John, why don't you talk us through what's just happened and then we can broaden it out.
Yeah, sure. Well, just in the last week or so, two of the big three RPA vendors have announced partnerships with API integration vendor MuleSoft. First off, Blue Prism announced its partnership with MuleSoft, giving MuleSoft's customers access to Blue Prism's digital workforce platform. So now when a target application in MuleSoft doesn't have standard API integration, they can use Blue Prism's RPA to do the job instead. And Automation Anywhere followed suit at its Imagine event this week, in fact, announcing a connector into MuleSoft's Anypoint platform, which does the same thing.
Right. So yeah, it looks like MuleSoft is on a bit of a partnership tear at the moment. And of course, before even this happened, we could already see, for example, in Automation Anywhere's bot store, they had quite prominently pre-built connectors to things like Salesforce APIs.
Right, yeah, exactly. And Salesforce, of course, is a big investor in Automation Anywhere as well, isn't it? And we talk about integration platforms as a service and RPA. They're actually quite complementary technologies. And that's why we're including them as part of the intelligent process automation toolkit that we're talking about, isn't it? But actually, they serve quite different use cases. So, for instance, you wouldn't use RPA to connect high-volume transactional applications used in real-time trading because of the potential latency. But IPA integrations can handle upwards of 50 calls a second, I'm told. So ideal for this sort of use case. But RPA can take 2 to 3 seconds, which actually makes it more suitable for operations that involve human operators and processes that aren't dependent on lightning-fast response times, like data queries or customer onboarding or accounting tasks. And actually, I think one of the reasons why RPA has been used to make up that long tail of business processes and sort of non-mission critical type activities.
Yeah, they absolutely are complementary. I completely see that. And of course, the devil is in the detail, right, as well, because you just have to look, for example, at how MuleSoft and Automation Anywhere both pitch the new partnership. So in its announcement, MuleSoft talks about how you can use APIs to call Automation Anywhere bots and have them kind of work behind the scenes to help you do some of integration. Right. So that's where the MuleSoft Anypoint platform is kind of in control. It's the orchestrator and the conductor. When you look at how Automation Anywhere talks about the partnership, they say, well, you can use our bots to coordinate the work of the Anypoint platform alongside other things you might want to do. So they see the bots as being in control, and the MuleSoft platform is really just like one part that sits underneath and does what it's told. So, I mean, my sense is that really it kind of also brings back this whole idea of the toolkit, where you really have to understand the requirements of your individual use cases, right? Yeah,
completely agree. Yeah, I think that's what we're trying to do, isn't it, with this toolkit? So understand different use cases for the different technologies, and I think actually it also underlines the vital importance of the service provider in all of this as well, because they've got to be able to help define and deliver those best solutions for their clients. So in digital transformation programs that I'm seeing, integration platforms like this and RPA actually often use side by side to resolve the specific business case for the client.
100%. And that's why I think looking at the whole ecosystem of automation and integration is so important, because I think if you only look at one piece, you're never going to get the whole picture.
Yeah.
So listen, John, thank you so much for joining me for this little video. I hope it wasn't too painful.
No, it was fun. Thanks for having me along.
No, it's a real pleasure. Yeah, definitely. We'll definitely do it again soon. So listen, thank you so much as always for watching, everybody. I hope you found it useful. Please do give us feedback if you liked it, if you didn't like it. What else do you want to see? If you did enjoy it, please like and share, and we will be with you again soon. Thanks a lot for watching.